So this is another room tour of the other room that we got. This time is 2126. That is the back of the door with the floor plan as usual. Light switches, do not disturb, makeup room, and slot to insert the key card. Now the one thing that I like about this room compared to the other room is the layout. This one sort of like goes straight then in, if that makes sense to you. But that is the pantry area. With the fridge. This would be the cupboard. And that's the bathroom, which is actually bigger than the other room. Shower, toilet, sink, bathtub, the usual, and the mirror. Hello again. Luggage area, TV, storage. This one also has a couple of queen size beds. Now, something interesting is that there is a I Love player right there. Obviously this supports the older iPods, but I guess you could use it if you do have an older iPhone or iPod or whatever with the 30-pin connector. But desk, chairs. Now this room doesn't have a balcony, but it has a nice view as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2126 at the Holiday Inn in Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.